Oh, okay. This damn place is a zoo. I can't take it any longer. These kids are ingrates and out of control.
What's going on?
I get no help from administrations. The students know they can act any way they want. It's just crazy in here.
Well, what happened?
Terrence is acting up. He's jumping all over the place, throwing stuff, bothering the other students. No respect.
All right, come on. Sit down. We'll talk about this.
I don't want to sit.
Well, what's going on with Terrence? Is he always like this?
Most of the time. I screamed my bloody head off at him, and he laughed.
Does he laugh at you all the time?
Mostly.
So what do you do about it when he does that?
It's just, he's defiant. It drives me crazy.
Well, what are some of his interests?
I don't know, football, music videos.
Is there something you could do with that?
I could probably incorporate it into the lessons sometime.
Well, it sounds like you have a plan.
Sort of.
Maybe if we just play some videos here and there. Maybe, huh?
Yeah, I could do that.
All right. Well, it sounds like you have a plan and you have really made a connection with the student. You seem to know what his interests are. Let me know if you need any other assistance.
All right. And now I'm just frustrated and I'm venting. Thanks for listening.
It's okay.
We'll get